Hi my friends, in this video I will show you how to make a song longer on TikTok video. Many of us face a problem when it comes to the song longer on TikTok video. Many of us face a problem when it comes to the song duration on the TikTok video. In this video I will show you how to make it a long on your TikTok videos. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to your TikTok app and open it. As we say, you open your TikTok app like this. Then when you open your TikTok app, what you're going to do next, you want, for example, to create a video and add a song on it. Click on this plus icon. Click on the plus icon, it takes you to this page. Now, for example, you want to add a picture or a video to your TikTok studio and make a song. Now, when you click on add song at the top middle of your phone like this, it shows you many songs as you see here. It shows you many songs you want, for example, to choose. For example, I want to search for specific sounds like this. I click search. And you want this song, for example, this song, the first song. Now how I make this song longer? Now when you click on this check red icon, like this, I click on it. And I record a video. Now how I can make the song of this video more longer? I click on this red check as you see here. Then I click on next. I click on edit video. Now as you see here, the song is I use just 15 seconds of this sound. Now how I can make this sound is longer? The first thing to add this song longer is by adding another layers or another, for example, photos. For example, you want to add another photos to your video and drag the audio to your video as you see here. You can add more clips if you want, like this. You can add more clips until you reach the level or the duration of the song you want. As you see here, now I use 37 seconds of this video. Also, you can, for example, make this picture longer, change the duration of this picture as you see here. You can make it long, as you see, like this, until you reach the duration you want of your video. Then you make review your video like this. As you see here, the video now, your video is more longer and your audio is longer also. So this is how to make your sounds or songs long on your TikTok videos. I hope this video is helpful. Then when you finish, click on save icon, then click on next. Then if you want to post it, click on post here on the red icon. So this is how to make the song more longer. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.